Good morning students. Last class we have seen about the topic what are the techniques involved in plant tissue culture. So what is the meaning of the plant tissue culture ma? So plant tissue culture means the growing of plant protoplasm, cell or tissue or organs are away from natural environment or normal environment, only growing in the under controlled condition, that is called plant tissue culture. So what are the techniques are mainly used in the plant tissue culture? So first one, sterilization technique. What is the meaning of the sterilization? Sterilization means inability to reproduce. You have to keep and clean the laboratory and culture room, sterilization the culture room, and sterilization the explant, and sterilization the medium preparation, and pH. You should maintain the pH and temperature, and cooling rate also is very important for the techniques for plant tissue culture. Today we are going to see about the remaining part of the lesson. So remaining part of the lesson topic, type of plant tissue culture. Already you know what is plant tissue culture. Okay, growing plant protoplasm, mainly used in the plant protoplasm or cell or tissue or any other organ used in this technique. So type of plant tissue culture is based on the explant. It can be divided the four category. Okay, based on the explant. What is the meaning of the explant? Explant is nothing but a tissue taken from the desired plant, only grow in culture medium. It is not a normal medium, only grow in the culture medium, that is called explant. Okay, so based on the explant it can be divided the four category. What are the four category? The first one, organ culture, based on the explant, it can be divided the four category. First one, organ culture. So second technique, meristem culture. Okay, so third technique, protoplast culture. So fourth one, cell suspension culture. Okay, so let us see one by one. What are the four types? First one, organ culture. Second one, meristem culture. Third one, protoplast culture. Fourth one, cell suspension culture. Okay, so what is the meaning of the organ culture? First, what is the first technique? Organ culture. Already you know what is culture, the growing plant protoplasm. So organ culture means some plant organs are used in this culture. What are the plant organs? So for example, ovaries, anther, okay, and stem and root. Okay, so these are the organs are mainly used in this culture, that is called organ culture. So we take only any one of the organ, for example stem or root or anther or ovaries. Okay, so any one of the organs are used in this culture, that is called organ culture. Okay, the second one, meristem culture. So what is the meaning of the meristem? Meristem is nothing but it is a meristem means Tamil ஆக்குத்திசுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So what is the meaning of the meristem? It's actively dividing cells. Okay, it is actively dividing cells. The cells are capable of cell division, that is called actively dividing cells, meristematic cell. So meristematic cells maximum found in the apical of the stem. Okay, stem maximum found in the stem region. So we have to cut the stem region and separate the meristem region. So meristem region is inserted the paper wing and it grow in a culture medium. So first callus formation. So callus formation, the next differentiated to other organs or well done. The full plant are well developed from the meristematic tissue, that is called meristematic culture. So what is the meaning of the meristematic? So meristematic means actively dividing cells are present in this region. So meristem region. So meristem region, actively dividing cells. So what is the meaning of the actively dividing cells? Actively dividing cells means the cells are capable of cell division. Cell division is actively going on these cells. Okay, so cell division continues and so cell division is actively going on. Cell division. So a cell division means especially the cell division, mitosis cell division. Okay, so actively dividing cells that is called meristematic region. So meristematic regions are used in the culture that is called meristem culture. Okay va? So third one, protoplast culture. So what is the meaning of the protoplast? What is protoplast? It's nothing but, for example, this is a normal cell. This is a normal cell. This is a normal cell. This is a cell wall. Okay. So inside nucleus is present. Inside, say nucleus is present. This is cytoplasm. So cytoplasm and nucleus, that is called protoplasm. Cytoplasm, this is nucleus. This is cytoplasm. This is cytoplasm. The cytoplasm and nucleus, that is called protoplasm. Protoplasm. Okay, so what is protoplasm? Nucleus or cytoplasm that is called protoplasm. Okay, so what is the meaning of the protoplast culture means? Only, so in this technique, protoplasts are cell without a cell membrane but bound by cell wall. Okay, so protoplast are a cell without cell membrane. Cell membrane irukadu. Okay, but bound by cell membrane or plasma membrane. So using plant protoplasts are used in this culture. So either use only we are using the plant protoplasm. So plant protoplasm, where is it located? Where is it found inside the plant cell. Plant protoplasm is present. Okay, so using plant protoplasm in this culture, that is called protoplast culture. So you using plant protoplast, it is possible to regenerate to make whole plant. Okay, so it is possible to regenerate to make whole plant. So what is protoplasm? Protoplasm is nothing but, so nucleus and cytoplasm is protoplasm. So using protoplasm to make a whole plant, to regenerate whole plant, to regenerate whole plant. Okay, so full plant already I said what is a pluripotent cells. Okay, totipotent cell main capacity have the capacity to make whole plant. Okay va? So the first leaf is for what is this? This is a normal plant. So okay, the leaf is collected from the plant. The leaf edugram. Okay, take one leaf. The leaf, the first process, leaf sterilization. First process, isolation of protoplasm. The second process, fusion of protoplasm. The third process, culture of protoplasm. Okay, so fourth one, selection of somatic hybridization. So let us see one by one. The first process, leaf edutachu. So take the one leaf. The first leaf wash out and sterilization process. Sterilization. So what is the meaning of the sterilization? Sterilization means sometimes so leaf bacteria or any other microbes are present. It is easily washed out from the sterilization process. Okay, inability to reproduce, that is called sterilization. You have to keep and clean. Okay, away from microbes. That is a process, sterilization process. First process, sterilization. The leaf is sterilized paniyachu. So second process, and the leaf outer covering, outer layer. What is outer covering is present? The skin, there is a epidermis. What is epidermis? Epidermis is nothing but that is the outer layer, that is called epidermis. Okay, there is a outer single layer. Epi abinale outer, dermis abinale. What is the meaning of the dermis means layer. So epidermis peeling. Epidermis peeling. What is the meaning of tip peeling? So first peel out the epidermis. So second process, epidermis peeling as we use some chemicals. Okay, so leaf this one the first immersed in some chemical. For example, the first method, the leaf this one the cells in which the plasmolysed cells. For plasma, you peeling up the epidermis some cells are easily come out from the leaf. So the cells are called plasmolysed cells. So plasma membrane is easily peeled out. So it is called as a plasmolysed cell. This is a plasmolysed cell cut into the small forms. Okay va? So next, cells in enzyme mixer. What are the cells are present? So leaf this first immersed in the 0.5% of macrocyte and 2% of cellulose enzymes are used. The first one, the cellulose enzyme is mixed in a test tube. Okay va? So what are the enzymes are added? Leaf to first enzyme immersed in the 0.5 macrocyte enzyme and 2% of the Onasuka cellulose enzyme. The cellulose enzymes are dissolved in 30% of sorbitol. So sorbitol, these are the enzymes. Okay, so dissolved in 30% of sorbitol at common pH level 5.4. Okay, so the pH level maintain 5.4 pH. So these are the these are the incubated in overnight. The full incubate overnight means full night, one night, that is called overnight. Okay, at the temperature level 25 degrees Celsius. Celsius. அதோட temperature எவ்வளவு you have to apply the temperature maximum 25 degrees Celsius. The first technique. அப்ப first technique, what is the first technique? A cells in enzyme mixture. So what are the enzymes? Already I said macrozyme, Onasaka cellulase enzyme and dissolved in 30% of sorbitol. So the normal pH we have to maintain the pH 5.4 level. Okay, so and 25 degrees Celsius. So next, so we have to apply some temperature. So temperature apply panna enna agum? So next stage enna? The protoplasm are easily peeled out. Peeling. So protoplasm abhi thani abhi kalanda mari hoda. That is called protoplasm are easily peeled out. So protoplasm are easily obtained from the test tube. Protoplasm are easily obtained from the test tube. So you have to add some chemicals. What are the chemicals? So transfer of 20% of sucrose. For example, cells in mixture la enna agudhu? Cell wall digestion process mudinju. Cell wall digestion na all the cell walls are easily removed from the plant cell, especially the leaf cell. So all the cells are easily removed and release of protoplasm. So protoplasm are easily released. Appo the cell wall ellame digestion aagi, so easily protoplasm are released. This is protoplasm. So the part of the tube mari irukum. This is a tube-like structure. What is it? This is called centrifugation. Centrifugation is nothing but it is a filtration process. Or filter பண்ணக்கூடிய ஒரு process தான், that is called centrifugation சொல்வாங்க. So microbiology lab and biotechnology lab ல ஒரு tube மாதிரி வச்சிருப்போம். That is called centrifugation. Centrifugation பண்றது. So protoplasm are obtained from the leaf. Okay, the transfer of protoplasm in 20% of sucrose to retain their viability. What is the viability test? Viability அப்படிங்கிறது nothing but the plant cell. What is protoplasm அப்படினாலே live cells அப்படியும். So protoplasm cells இவ்வளவு process முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் லைவா இருக்குதா இல்லையா? Sometimes லைவா இல்ல dead cells maybe அப்படிங்கறத present detector test ஓட நேம் தான் viability test. ஓகேவா? So you have to add some chemical 20% of sucrose add to retain the viability test. Okay, so next is centrifugation. Centrifugation process la to get pure protoplasm. Centrifugation na the mixer centrifugation mixing மாதிரி ஒரு அரைக்கிற மாதிரி அரைச்சோம்னா அது என்ன ஆகும்? அப்படியே ஃபில்டர் ஆயிடும். So debris எல்லாம் easily separate in the tub and easily settled in the protoplasm in bottom region. Bottom region la protoplasm are easily settled. அப்படியே centrifugate அப்படியே படிஞ்ச மாதிரி ஆயிடும். That is called protoplasm. Inside the green particles are present in the test tube. That is called protoplasm. This is a pure protoplasm. Okay va? So the first technique is finished. What is the first technique ma? Isolation of protoplasm. Protoplasm already you know. So cell wall and nucleus, cytoplasm and nucleus and the protoplasm. The first என்ன வேணும்? protoplasm technique using protoplasm to regenerate, to make whole plant from protoplasm. Single tissue to make whole plant. What is a single tissue? The protoplasm is a single tissue. Okay, to make whole plant. இதுதான் ஒரு full plant உருவாக போகுதுனா first method. What is the first method? Leaf sterilization. So what is the second method? Epithelial peeling. This is a second method. So third method, plasmolyzed cells. So plasmolyzed means the protoplasm are cut into small pieces. Okay, so next the cells is added in the enzyme mixture. So what are the enzymes added? First enzyme 0.5% the macrozyme and 2% of the Onasaka cellulose enzyme. Okay, it's dissolved in 30% of the sorbitol. So normal pH, how many pH? 5.4 pH at 25 degrees Celsius. Temperature normal 25 degrees centigrade. Okay va? So next step in our so the protoplasm are cell wall are digestion and release to protoplasm. So the protoplasm are obtained from the test tube. The test tube எல்லாத்தையும் obtain பண்ணிட்டோம். Okay, so next process the viability test. Viability test means என்னது? அந்த protoplasm உயிரோட இருக்குதா இல்லையா? This is called viability test. Okay va? So live cell or dead cells. So normally live cells are protoplasm. அப்ப transfer to 20% of sucrose solution to retain the viability viability test. So next process that centrifuge to get pure protoplasm. Next என்ன செய்றாங்க? Centrifugation பண்றப்ப filter பண்றப்ப so ஒரு mixing jar மாதிரி ஒரு jar மாதிரி இருக்கும். So centrifugation பண்றப்ப so to get pure protoplasm, this is a isolation of protoplasm. First technique finished. So second one, fusion of protoplasm. First isolation. Isolation is separate the protoplasm from leaf or tissue or any other tissue. So protoplasm first separation finished. Okay, second process, fusion of protoplasm. அப்ப fusion அப்படினால என்ன? So joining இணையிறது அப்படினு சொல்றோம். That is called fusion of protoplasm. So you have to add some fusogenic agent. What is a fusogenic agent? Fusogenic glycol. This is commonly called as PEG. What is PEG? So the PEG means the abbreviations PEG, polyethylene. Explanation: polyethylene glycol. Polyethylene glycol, that is called PEG. Okay, so what is the meaning of the PEG, ma? Polyethylene glycol. So what is PEG? Polyethylene glycol is act as a fusogenic agent. Fusogenic agent means fusion of protoplasm. Protoplasm fuse agradhukku which one is important? The PEG is very very important. This is a suitable fusogen. Okay ma? So next, the isolated protoplasm so incubated into next incubation process irukudhu. So this is a isolated protoplasm. Separate panniranga. Isolated protoplasm is incubated into 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, 35% in concentrate polyethylene glycol. Concentrate PEG la ulla vechiranga, incubate panniranga. Within a plus a calcium ion is very very important for the fusogenic agent. So you add some fusogenic agent. Fusogenic agent add panna enna agum? So all the cells are easily clumped. What is the meaning of the clump? Agglutination solluvom. What is the meaning of the agglutination? Clumping of cells. Clumping means for example the onnoda onna ottana mari irukku. Clumping for example blood group la solluvom agglutinate agudhu, clump agudhu, appdi thirchi mari, that is called agglutination. So all the cells are compactly arranged, that is called agglutination. Okay, or clumping. Okay, so third process, culture of protoplasm. The second one, fusogenic process is finished. So what are the fusogenic agent, ma? Polyethylene glycol plus Ca++. Calcium ion is very very important for the fusogenic agent. Fusogenic process la venum. So next one, culture of protoplasm. So third one enadhu? So first process isolation finished. So second process, what is the second process? Fusogen finished. Appo third culture. So protoplasm thaniya pirichu eduthutom. So next one, culture. So culture, protoplasm culture only in culture medium, test tube or in petri dish or any other plate. Okay, petri plate or petri plate na chinna the kutti kutti plate mari irukum. This is a small plate like appearance, that is called petri dish abdin solvanda mari irukum. That is called petri dish. Okay, this is called petri dish or small test tube. Okay ma? So culture medium is first culture medium nale, so culture protoplasm culture medium is very very important. So culture medium is totally in artificial condition. It is away from normal environment. Only you have to apply some temperature and light and incubation. So all the things are artificial. Ellame artificial ah irukum culture medium la. Okay ma? For example, mainly used in the culture medium MS liquid medium. Okay, so the scientist name Moses Gook, so it is called as a MS liquid medium. So already I said in previous classes MS liquid medium. So MS liquid medium is used for the culture of protoplasm. Okay, so before the culture you have to add some fluorescein diacetate. Okay, fluorescein diacetate is mainly used for the viability test. So athripi or viability test பண்றாங்க. So you have to add some chemical name. The chemical fluorescein diacetate. The chemical name is very very important, asking 1 mark. So you have to note it. Fluorescein diacetate. Chemical name fluorescein diacetate. Okay, so before the culture, the fluorescein diacetate is tested for the viability, protoplasm viability test. Okay, so next light. So for example, next on the light evlo kudukonom, maximum 1000 to 2000 lux and 25 degrees Celsius. So next process la cell wall formation. So cell wall formation da callus. What is callus ma? Callus is nothing but, what is callus? This is a callus. Undifferentiated mass of cell, that is called callus. Okay, so what is callus? Undifferentiated mass of cell. So nariya cells irukum, mass of cells na enna? Group of cells, that is called callus. Undifferentiated na the cells are not differentiated. So differentiated means differentiated na enna? For example, root, shoot, leaf, it is not differentiated. So it is undifferentiated mass of cells, that is called callus. What is the ability to callus tissue? The callus tissue have the ability to make a whole plant. This is a main important point in callus. The single callus tissue, the callus tissue has the ability to make whole plant. Okay ma? So next process is cell wall formation. So division of new cells in a 2 to 7 days la cell wall ella formation agum. So first is cell division, so all the cell wall formation is going on. So second, last process, callus formation. So next one, differentiation of cells in tissue. So next first one, the undifferentiated tissue. So undifferentiated tissue is converted to differentiation to cell structure. So differentiation means, for example, stem formation, root formation, okay, leaf formation. So some organs are developed from the callus tissue. That is called differentiation of callus cells tissue. So next last process. So normal new plant only grow in culture medium, or in vitro culture means mainly grow in a test tube. That is called in vitro culture medium. So the plant only grow in the culture medium or in test tube. So next hardening method. What is a normal hardening method? The test tube plant is a transfer to the normal medium. That is called hardening method. Okay, the transfer test tube plant. For example, this is a test tube plant. The test tube plant is normally transferred to the normal medium. Normal medium என்ன? For example, normal soil medium. But இது the culture medium என்ன இருக்காது? Soil கிடையாது. Only growing a culture medium na MS nutrition medium. Only nutrition is added in this medium. Okay. But the normal medium na soil environment la irundha. This is normal medium. This is called hardening method. This is a protoplast culture. Okay va? So last one, selection of somata hybrid. So what is the meaning of the somata hybrid na? First fusion the fuse agudalaya, and the fusogenic agent la first fusion product of protoplast without nucleus. Protoplast enna agadu? Fusion of protoplast without nucleus, that is called cybrid. What is the meaning of the cybrid ma? Fusion of protoplast without nucleus, that is called cybrid. Nucleus illama adu fuse aachuna, that is called cybrid. Fusion of protoplast without nucleus. Fusion product of protoplast without nucleus, that is called cybrid. What is cybrid? Fusion product of protoplast without nucleus, that is called cybrid. Okay. So next, somatic hybridization. What is the meaning of the somatic hybridization? Somatic hybridization means the first fusion and the cybrid. The cybrid is followed by the next fusion of protoplast with nucleus, that is called somatic hybridization. அப்போ first process ல எங்க fuse ஆகாது? Fusion of protoplast without nucleus ஓட fuse ஆகல அப்படினா cybrid. So second process la the protoplast fused with nucleus கூட fuse ஆச்சு அப்படினா that is called somatic hybridization. That is called somatic hybridization. Somatic hybridization. Okay. So what is cybrid? What is somatic hybridization? They are asking 3 mark short answers, so learn thoroughly. What is cybrid? Fusion product of protoplast without a nucleus is called cybrid. Next is followed by the nucleus fusion. So nucleus fusion means a fusion product of protoplast with nucleus, that is called somatic hybridization. Do you know the difference between the cybrid and somatic hybridization? Do you understand? Okay. So next, last method, cell suspension culture. So last method, cell suspension culture. So what is the meaning of the cell suspension culture? Means culture of single cells. What is a single cell? The protoplast or any other cells, leaf cells or stem cells or root cells. The single cells are used in this culture. Okay. The single cells to make a whole plant. So culture of single cells are aggregate of cell in vitro in liquid medium. Only this type of culture only in a liquid medium. Liquid medium la ulla vechu valakkuradhu. Okay va? So the transfer of callus tissue into the liquid medium. For example, this is a normal callus tissue. The callus tissue is transferred to the liquid medium. For example, the blue color, what is this is a nutrition. Some nutrition is added in the medium. So this is called the nutrition medium. Upon the transfer of callus tissue. For example, this is a callus tissue. The callus tissue is easily transferred to the normal liquid medium. This is a liquid medium. So liquid medium is the transfer of the liquid medium. The callus is differentiate to develop other organs, to develop a new plant from this callus tissue. That is called cell suspension culture. Okay. Do you understand the method? Again I repeat, the first method. What is the first method? So first one, based on the explain, the tissue is the techniques divide the 4 category: organ culture, meristem culture, protoplast culture, cell suspension culture. Okay. So what are the 4 more? organ culture. So what is organ culture? So organ culture, like some plant organs are used in this culture. For example, ovaries, anther, root, shoot. So any other organ system used in this culture, that is called organ culture. So next, meristem culture. What is a meristem culture? Meristematic tissue are used in this culture medium, that is called meristematic culture. So what is a meristematic tissue? Meristematic tissue it's a actively dividing cells. Okay, that present in the shoot system. It's a cut meristematic tissue. It's add paper is easily inserted the nutrition medium, easily grow the tissue plant. So next one, protoplast culture. So protoplast culture la first technique, isolation of protoplast. Protoplast is isolated from the plant leaf or leaf எடுத்துக்கிறோம். The first process na leaf sterilization process. So next leaf epithelium of peeling process. So third one, plasmolyzed. The plasmolyzed means all the plasma cells are easily removed, cell walls, this process. The third one, some enzyme is a cell-sync enzyme mixture. The cell எதுல தூக்கி போடுறாங்க is added to the enzyme mixture. So you have to add some enzyme. What are the enzyme? 0.5% of the macrocyte and 2% of Onotsuka cellulose enzyme. So dissolved in the 13% of the sorbitol. The fourth one, the protoplasts are obtained from the 20% of sucrose solution for the viability test. So next, centrifugation process. Centrifugation process la to get pure protoplast. Pure protoplast inge kedachirudhu. So first process finished. Second, fusion of protoplast. Adu fuse aga vekkano. But you have to add some fusogenic agent. So what are the fusogenic agent? Especially the fusogenic agent are named polyethylene glycol. That is called PEG plus calcium ion is very important for the fusogenic agent. So next, culture of protoplast. Culture of fusogen process we finished. So next is the tissue culture. So you have to need culture medium. So normal culture medium, the important culture medium, MS liquid medium is mostly used in the protoplast culture. Okay, so you have to, before the culture, you have to test the fluorescent diacetate. You have to apply fluorescent diacetate for the viability test. Okay, so next you have to add some light at 25 degrees Celsius. So normal cell wall formation occurs in the 24 to 48 hours. The first division of cells is going on the 2 to 7 days. So callus cell walls is regeneration. So cell wall regeneration na clumping of, next process clumping of cells. So all the cells are agglutinated clump ஆயிருது. So clump ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் next process, what is the next process? Callus formation. What is callus? Callus is nothing but undifferentiated mass of cell, that is called callus formation. Okay, this is called callus formation. Okay, so next is selection of somatic hybridization. What is something as a hybrid? Fusion product of protoplast without nucleus, that is called hybrid. With nucleus with protoplast, that is called somatic hybridization. Okay, so this is callus. So callus is the next another differentiated to tissue culture. Differentiated to all the tissue, new tissue develop from whole plant, to regenerate whole plant from tissue, from callus tissue. Okay, so last culture, cell suspension culture. So what is happening in cell suspension? Culture of single cells aggregate to form liquid, in vitro liquid medium. The transfer of callus tissue into the liquid medium. This is a transfer of callus tissue. This is a liquid medium, that is called cell suspension culture. Okay, okay. So next topic. Okay, next topic, production of secondary metabolites. Okay, production of secondary metabolites. Secondary metabolites. Okay, so what is the main technique? The cell suspension, the protoplast and the cell suspension technique can be used for the production of secondary metabolism. What are the main technique used? Cell suspension culture technique. Cell suspension culture. Cell suspension culture can be used as the production of secondary metabolites. What is the production of secondary metabolites? Secondary metabolites is nothing but it is a chemical compound produced by the plant. So this chemical compound, it is not required for the plant. It is a byproduct of plant. Okay, the byproduct of plant. This chemical compound is not required for the plant growth. Okay, this chemical compound is not required for the plant growth. It is a byproduct. Okay, so what are the chemical compound? The alkylide, flavonoid, terpenide, phenolic compound, and protein, resistant protein also, recombinant protein. So these are all the chemical compound. This is commonly called as a secondary metabolites. What is secondary metabolites? These are the chemical compounds alkaloid, flavonoid, terpenoid, phenolic compound. Alkaloid, flavonoid, terpenoid, phenolic compound. These are the chemical compounds. This chemical compounds is obtained from the plant byproduct. Plant or byproduct. So plants byproduct. What is the use of the plant byproduct? The plant byproduct is mainly used for the commercial purpose and industrial purpose and medicinal values, medicinal uses. Okay, medicinal uses irukudhu. Okay, so what are the important medicinal values? For example, the plant or name Catranthus roseus. Catranthus roseus is nothing but this is a Catranthus roseus plant. Okay, so the plant நீ எல்லாரும் பார்த்திருப்பேன். Catranthus roseus is the botanical name. Another botanical name Vinca rosea. Both are same. Okay, Catranthus roseus அப்படிங்கிறது this is a commonly called as a நித்திய கல்யாணி இல்லனா சுடுகாட்டு மல்லி அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். This is called Catranthus roseus. So this plant is the byproduct of the indole alkaloid from Catranthus roseus plant. What is the name of byproduct? Indole alkaloid. Okay, so the indole alkaloid is mainly the secondary metabolites of the name vincristine. So vincristine is mainly used for the anti-carcinogenic agent is present in this plant. So what is anti-carcinogenic agent? Anti-carcinogenic agent na cancer ko against on the treatments is obtained from this plant. Okay, this is called anti-carcinogenic agent. So anti na opposite. So carcinogenic na cancer. So anti-cancer act பண்ணுது. Anti-cancerous plant. Okay, so what are the secondary metabolites? The first one digoxin. So digoxin the plant, the plant secondary metabolites or the name digoxin. The plant or the name Digitalis purpurea. So what are the use of this plant? What are the use of the secondary metabolites அப்படினா? So mainly is used cardiac tonic. So mainly used for the heart disease. What is the meaning of the cardiac knowledge? Mainly indicate the heart. Okay, so this tonic is mainly used for the heart failure or heart treatment. Okay, so next one codeine. So what is the codeine? The plant or the name Papaver somniferum. This sort of main use analgelis use பண்றாங்க. So next one capsaicin அப்படிங்கிறது so plant or source capsicum annum. It is a rheumatic pain treatment. What is the rheumatic pain? So rheumatic மூட்டு வலின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல. So rheumatic knee pain. So joint pain, joining எல்லாமே pain ஆகிறது. That is called rheumatic pain treatment. It is mainly used as a capsaicin. So next one vincristine. So vincristine is a common, is a famous. Another one is a byproduct. Indole alkaloid. Okay, this is a indole alkaloid is obtained from the plant Catranthus roseus and also vincristine is obtained from the plant Catranthus roseus. Okay, what is the main use? This is a plant. Their main use anti-carcinogenic agent. Okay, so cancer against medicine. Okay, that is called anti-carcinogenic medicine. So cancer against on medicines are prepared from this plant, the carcinogenic agent. Okay, anti-carcinogenic. So next one quinine. So quinine is a common secondary metabolite name. So tablet for the malaria kind of treatment and tablet quinine. So the secondary metabolite is obtained from the plant Cinchona officinalis. The plant name அதோட மரப்பட்டையில இருந்து எடுப்பாங்க. So the common name Cinchona officinalis. Cinchona officinalis mainly is for the malarial treatment. So it is called the anti-malarial. Okay, so what are the name? Digoxin, Digitalis purpurea. It is a cardiac tonic. Codeine, Papaver somniferum, analgesic. So next one capsicum annum, rheumatic pain treatment. Vincristine, Catranthus roseus. This mainly used for the anti-carcinogenic agent. So next one quinine. So quinine is obtained from the Cinchona officinalis. It is used for the anti-malarial treatment. Okay, so these are the secondary metabolites. The production of secondary metabolites is only the chemical compound. This type of chemical compound is not required for the plant growth. Okay, it is a plant byproduct. Okay, so these are the main important secondary metabolites. Okay, so what we have learned today? First type of plant tissue culture. So what are the type of plant tissue culture? Organ culture, meristem culture, protoplast culture, cell suspension culture. So next topic, production of secondary metabolism. The cell suspension culture can be used as the production of secondary metabolites. Okay, so what are secondary metabolites are chemical compound they are obtained from the plant. Okay, so today home assignment, describe the protoplast culture. Describe the protoplast culture. Describe the homozyme plant protoplast culture. Protoplast culture. This question is very important as in detail, so I have to learn thoroughly. Okay. Thank you, students.